What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here to fly my favorite tiny hoop, the LDARC Tiny 6X. And I know it's raining and stuff, wet out here, but we about to test out these new 1S 300 milliamp hour 3.8 volt high volt batteries from Crazypone-Power. Let's check it out. A new, improved, larger size, better chemistry supposedly. So let's see how this thing performs. Let's look at a punch out. Nice punch out with it. Gotta watch out, we got seagulls out here. Maybe one of them might go after it. No buzzer on this little guy. It's a little windy out here. So it seems to perform really nice with it. Punch out, it's going. I think it's time to bring this little guy in. I was flying him a little hard. So that's it. Quick demo with the LDARC Tiny 6X. Testing out these from Crazypone-Power 300 milliamp hour 3.8 volt HV batteries. Crazypone-Power on Amazon. I think 4 of these come in a pack. Thanks for watching.